So I was gonna go and design everything in AutoCAD and cut it out on the CNC out of aluminum and weld it together and stuff like that, so that I could make a really nice boat that we could keep forever. I decided that was a lot of computer work, and it's a lot more fun to just wing it. So we are winging this project. We're not going by like a set of plans or anything like that, but we're not going in blind. We looked up online and found that a lot of the joke boats are around 9, 10, 11 feet. And so that's what we're doing right now, is we're trying to mock up an idea of what the jet boat's gonna end up looking like. So we have about 7 feet out to the back, and then if we go out to the front, 8, 9, that's 10 feet there. And I think that's a little bit too short of a nose. So we'll do 11 feet and see if that works. If it doesn't, we can always add some more in later. It's not gonna be easy, but we can add more in later. And if it does, cool. We've got an 11-foot mini jet boat. And how to set the width, we're just sitting here with the hole behind us. The leftover from the jet ski, and we're sitting side by side, and we'll measure our width. We actually thought we wanted to put one more chair in to see. So we'll be able to be 3 seats wide comfortably, and this is how we're going to set our width. So what is that there? Just outside your knee. And I'll go here. I'm about 60 inches. We do 60 inches centered. That's comfortable width for 3 people in the boat. And we're 11 feet long. And then we set our height. I'm gonna go with what's comfortable and not necessarily what I know will float. And I'll figure that out later. So right now, if we're sitting in the boat, that's about comfortable, 27 inches. I'll probably go 30 because the floor is going to be raised up. It's going to be a sloped floor. It won't be flat. So I'll leave some space for the angle of the keel. So I'll go 30 inches high. So we're 11 feet long, 30 inches high, and 60 inches wide. Does it look comfortable or sound comfortable?
Yeah, pretty comfy.
Let's mock that up and see what it looks like. Alright, so this is about what it'll look like. I think it's decent. Might be a little short on the nose, so I don't know, we may go a little bit longer, but the back is kind of big. You could always push this further out the back and have the outdrive stick out towards the back more.
We also could
I guess it's not
sit
outdrive
on the
either.
engine. We could put the bench seat over the engine and have a flap and have the benches fold forward or something. So there's a way to do it.
Kind of.
Or just take the seats out.
We'll see how low it is. We might have enough space to do that, we might not, I don't know.
It's not a very big engine.
It's not.
It's shorter than a seat.
Yeah, we'll see. This is about the size though we'll start off building, and we'll see where we place the seats and how the nose looks on the front.
Be sure to like and subscribe so you can see our next videos as they come out.